Hello, everybody. It's Adam. It's going to be a quick lesson today on what is a mask. And at school, the teachers and the staff are going to wear a mask. And here is what it looks like. This is mine. And you put it up over your face like this. And this blocks the air from my nose and my mouth from spreading germs. So it is the mask. I'm still the same person underneath. Still Mr. Adam, but with a mask, it just blocks the air. And staff are going to do that and wear a mask to keep kids safe and to keep it so that germs aren't spreading in that way. What? It's a spy! No, it's Adam. No, it's not. You're a spy. You look different. I do look a little different, but it's still me, Mr. Adam. Prove it! Okay, ready? It's still me, I promise. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it is you. I thought you were a spy.
No, it's not a spy. This is just so I don't spread a lot of germs with my air from my nose and my mouth.
Oh, okay, I get it. Okay, well, I thought you were a spy. I guess you're not. Now we can still be friends.
Yes, we can still be friends.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to put my mask on, and I want you to have a great day.